Thanks for checking out your Mr. Quik weather update. Meteorologist Nathan Kitchens here. We have a beautiful forecast coming our way the next several days. Look at the forecast for Tuesday. Plenty of sunshine expected. We'll see temperatures in the morning in the lower 60s. In fact, we'll start actually in the 50s there just before sunrise, and we'll see temperatures warming into the 70s and eventually around 80 degrees for the afternoon. We should see a good amount of sunshine. We'll see a few cumulus clouds bubble up as we go through the course of the afternoon. Humidity levels will be very low, so a very nice day expected for Tuesday. We've had a pretty incredible past few days of weather. We've gone from the extreme heat to temperatures about 20 degrees cooler on our Monday, and we're going to keep those cooler temperatures in place for a few days here. We're drawing a nice break here. Tuesday through Thursday, temperatures in the lower half of the 80s. We'll see low temperatures in the upper 50s. And this is a very quiet forecast. We do expect partly cloudy to mostly sunny skies. I think each day we start with full sunshine. We'll bubble up a few cumulus clouds as we go through the afternoon. But as you can see, we're keeping the forecast dry all the way through Sunday. As we gradually start to heat things back up, we'll see temperatures getting back to the upper 80s as early as Friday, and then closer to 90 as we go through the weekend. Our next chance of rain, we target that perhaps a week from now. So we get a good 6 days of dry weather across the area. It's going to be a beautiful week of summer across the area, so be sure to enjoy it. Thanks for watching this update. Have a good day.